Scene 1. The Phenomenal News.
Hello, team. I called this urgent meeting to share some phenomenal news. We are officially a leaner team now. Since 2 more employees left this week, their positions are currently vacant. So, until we find their replacements, I need all of you to roll up your sleeves and pick up the slack. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Excuse me, sir, but the current workload is overwhelming. With the departure of 2 more colleagues last month, our small team is now managing the work of 6 people. We are at a breaking point.
Mark, thank you for your negative energy. It's highly appreciated. Anyway, that's all for now, superstars. Go back to your desks and crush it. Meeting dismissed. Oh, and Mark, please stay behind. I want to have a word with you.
It was at this exact moment that Mark knew he had messed up. Scene 2. The 5-minute trap.
The clock on the wall shows 4:55 p.m. Mary is packing her bag, smiling. Suddenly, Madame Narky appears behind her like a ghost.
Mary, follow me to my desk. I need to go over some minor details with you.
Right now, Madame Narky? My shift ends in 5 minutes.
Mary, in this company, we don't look at clocks. Clocks are for people who lack passion. I won't repeat myself.
One hour later.
Mary is staring at a computer screen, eyes bloodshot. Madame Narky is calmly sipping coffee.
Madame Narky. I've been working overtime for an hour now. My shift ended ages ago. May I please leave?
Leave? Wow. Okay, you can go. In 10 minutes. After you finish this 2-page report.
Scene 3. The next day. Paid in family love.
Mary, come into my office. Immediately.
Yes, sir. I'm coming.
Mary, I was informed about your unfortunate behavior yesterday. You complained about working late. Look around you. We are not civil servants here. We don't work in the public sector. We are a family. And families don't count hours. If there is work, we burn the midnight oil. Please do your work and keep your head down.
Ah, of course. My mistake. A family. So, since we're a family, will I be paid for yesterday's overtime? Or do I get paid in family love?
You have a great sense of humor, Mary. But let's get down to business. If you are unable to finish your work on time, that's a time management issue. And if you don't like our culture, there is the exit.
Ah yes, a classic, toxic employer.
Vocabulary explanation.
Leaner team. A leaner team is a smaller, more efficient team that achieves high productivity with fewer people and resources. Examples. We're a leaner team now, meaning fewer people doing the same amount of work. Management calls it a leaner team. We call it understaffed.
We are officially a leaner team now. Since 2 more employees left this week, their positions are currently vacant.
To roll up your sleeves means to prepare for hard work. Examples. If you want to pass this difficult final exam, you'll need to roll up your sleeves and study every night. There's a lot of work to do, so roll up your sleeves and get busy. To pick up the slack means to improve a situation by doing something that someone else has not done or not completed. Examples. My roommate was studying for finals, so I picked up the slack and did all the house cleaning. When John resigned, Maria had to pick up the slack until we hired a replacement.
So, until we find their replacements, I need all of you to roll up your sleeves and pick up the slack. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Breaking point. A breaking point is the stage at which your control over yourself or a situation is lost. Examples. We've been working 12 hours a day, and we are all at the breaking point. George was under a lot of stress, and he eventually reached breaking point.
With the departure of 2 more colleagues last month, our small team is now managing the work of 6 people. We are at a breaking point.
To have a word with someone means to speak to them briefly, usually in private. Examples. The boss had a word with Tom about his chronic tardiness. I need to have a word with our neighbors about the loud music at night.
Oh, and Mark, please stay behind. I want to have a word with you.
To go over something means to examine or look at something in a careful or detailed way. Examples. I've gone over the problem several times, but I can't think of a solution. Remember to go over your essay for grammar and spelling mistakes before you hand it in to me.
Mary, follow me to my desk. I need to go over some minor details with you. Bloodshot eyes are ones where the white part looks red and irritated. Examples: I didn't get enough sleep last night, so I have bloodshot eyes. Bloodshot eyes can happen for many reasons, including allergies and dry eyes.
Mary is staring at a computer screen, eyes bloodshot. Madam Narky is calmly sipping coffee.
A civil servant is a person who works for the government to help run public services. Examples: my uncle has been a civil servant for 20 years, so he has excellent job security. He left his job at the bank to become a civil servant because he wanted better working hours.
Look around you. We are not civil servants here. We don't work in the public sector. We are a family.
To burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night.
Examples: Jane has been burning the midnight oil lately. I guess she has a big exam coming up. If you burn the midnight oil night after night, you'll probably become ill.
If there is work, we burn the midnight oil. Please do your work and keep your head down.
To get down to business means to stop talking and start doing serious work.
Examples: we need to get down to business if we hope to finish this today.
Stop chatting about the weather and let's get down to business.
Have a great sense of humor, Mary. But let's get down to business. If you are unable to finish your work on time, that's a time management issue. And if you don't like our culture, there is the exit.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.